that. As you are all aware, Max is getting bigger and bigger, and it's kind of like challenging for us, especially when we groom him. So we bought something from Amazon, and this was just delivered yesterday, and what we do today is to open what's inside this box. So, do you know what's inside, Max? Do you know? And this is actually for you, but it's not a treat. It's something that we could use for when you take the bath. See, it says professional pet force dryer. So basically this helps his fur or his hair to dry up faster. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Oh, this is for your hair, Max. Like that. This is for you, but it's not a treat, okay? No, 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 no. Pet dryer. It's like $140-ish. Let me see if it's working or not. Uh-oh, what are you doing there, bud? Oh, yeah. This one. Let's try this. And that's it, right? Yeah. Do we need this foam? Sit down here, bud. Let's try. Okay, let's try if this will work. Let's put it in. Here, Max, come here. Let's try this one. So this is power, and this is what's the name? A heating. Okay, here, come here. I know. So it's really easy. He likes it. Do you like it, Max? Do you like it? Let's comb your hair. use the heating, what's this? Heating fixture. So if he's being bathed, and we can use, or we can turn this on, so dali ra kay siya mauga. Right, Max? Right, Max? So we are going to try this later today or maybe tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching!
'Cause I'm really in love with you.